The first thing we did was to take all these tall bushes out from in front of the house. After cleaning out this flower bed, I planted these yellow flowers. The elephant ears you've seen started growing on their own, so they must have already been there. And now we're making very good use of all of our mulch. Our granddaughter Olive helped pressure wash the house. In the beginning, we were going to leave the shutters black, but we decided to paint them red for some color and paint the front door also. Living room. Kitchen area. Here, most of the wall and that window was taken down. New floors for all the rooms except one bedroom, the master bedroom. You may not can tell, but this is the kitchen, and the door you see leads outside to the driveway. And this picture is at same angle, the same door, but it's nighttime. Behind the word after is where the refrigerator goes. And here. The bedrooms did not have ceiling fans, but he put them in with the new lights. In this bedroom, one of the window panes was out in the window, so there was a hole. A mother cat brought her 4 kittens into this bedroom and put them here under these bed slats. We helped the mom to take care of them. these before. This is the first time I've seen one that had these little corner shelves here. And you have this big one here, and on the other side you have that one and the shelf. This is really, oh, look at this, hooks. Oh, this is where the water heater was in this bathroom. We took it out and put it in here. The black you see on this wall was chalk paint, and I'm not sure what David had to do to cover that up. David and our son Joshua are both left-handed, so the pencil goes in on their left ear. This is the laundry area.